Alright, we are in Toledo, Ohio at, I forget the name of this building, to be honest. Commodore Perry Apartments, I think. Look at this. Does it say something on the bottom? No. What is this? Can you open these? Oh no, they have them all locked. I doubt they even have the key to that anymore. Look at that. That's cool as hell. That clock is... oh, it still moves. Well, not with a motor. Look in there, I bet you can see. Oh, look, the other car is in there. But it's not in service. You can see the other car right there. Anyway, these used to be Haughton. Now they're Dover. Wow. These run questionably. Let's get this lantern. That's awesome. Yeah, these are a little creepy. Ooh, startup's just as rough on the way down. That will be it.